Hello everybody and welcome to Vima Education. My name is Nina Jackson and I'm proud to be one of the education consultants with Vima Education. Today what we're going to do is we're going to start looking at some how to use digital technology to support some of our SEND learners in a document, in an email, in a presentation, anywhere. It's captured my speech. The self-esteem, the achievement and the self-confidence of your students is going to go through the roof. Of the digital technology guide for SEND learners. Now, during this session, we're going to be looking at some applications for time management, productivity and personal organisation for SEND learners. It is an application called Google Tasks. Now, the great thing about Google Tasks is that you can use it on your digital devices. This is not a phone, this is a digital learning device today. This is my other digital learning device. If teachers are asking students to copy from the board, that can be really challenging, especially for somebody with dysgraphia problems, dyslexia, ADHD, ASC. We're asking them to look at a screen, to think about retrieval practice, management, calendar and memory.